Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm super excited. My Meural Canvas 2 powered by Netgear has arrived. Yeah, like it just got here and I'm super excited. Now you're probably like, hey, what's that? Well, I'm gonna tell you. You guys remember the old days of digital picture frames? Like, yawn, boring, right? Well, this is something that's totally different due to the resolution and the screen and the special anti-glare matte finish it has on the front. It actually looks like a painting. Like, no joke. So with a small subscription fee, if you like, you can go ahead and have access to over 30,000 different pieces of artwork from all over the world. Like, you could download anything from the Louvre, or imagine having a Picasso in your house, or a Rembrandt, or a Van Gogh. Like, right? Like, I want to have the Mona Lisa in my house, like, for real. So I'm super excited. Now, it does come preloaded with about 30 pictures or so, 30 pieces of art that you have access to, but if you want access to their entire library, small subscription fee. But yeah, to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description. I went ahead and got the subscription. I'm super excited, and I think that's what I really like about this, because I don't have a digital picture frame because it just looks like a screen with some photos, and then you got to take your SD card, connect it to your computer, put the photos on there, then go down and put it in the digital picture frame, and that's just old and boring. So not only can you access artwork, and there's an app, and we'll go ahead and set it up and I'll show you, but you can also take pictures, and the pictures on your phone you can send to the Canvas 2 as well. Now, how cool is that? Now imagine this, you buy one of these for grandma, you take a picture of your child, and you could send that to grandma's Canvas. That's right. And it now shows up on grandma's Canvas too, because this has Ethernet, or you can access it via Wi-Fi. Totally up to you. And now you still have an option for an SD card if you want that, but it's not needed. So I'm very excited. And also, as you start to like artists, it will start to curate and learn what you like, and it'll suggest, kind of like Spotify or Pandora. When you like artists, it'll suggest more music like that. Same thing here. You like an artist, it will go ahead and suggest another artist within the same family based on what you like. So I am super excited. Now, I also have the Meural swivel mount here. Now, this will allow me to rotate my Canvas 2 from portrait to landscape while it's hanging on the wall. So don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and get into that. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox this. We're gonna get into it, show you everything. Then I'm gonna go downstairs, mount it on the wall, and let you see what it looks like. But super excited. So I'm gonna stop talking. All right, let's go. Laters. I got my trusty box cutter here, greenie. And yeah, let's open it up. Okay, here we go, and it's nicely packaged, and we are greeted with this from Meural. Okay, welcome to the Meural community. It's nice, and they tell you to download the app, which I will show you, and we will do. Now I'm gonna move this out of the way, just so we can go ahead and see what's in the box of goodies here. All right. Looks like we have a cleaning cloth, your warranty information and instructions, and this is a lean mural here. Maybe if you want to lean it up against the wall. Nice, pretty nice. Yeah, here's your wall mount. But like I said, I have the swivel mount, so I'm going to be installing that on the wall. Here are your wall anchors, and here's your power cord. Okay, here we go, and there's a protective cover on the front. Now, I have black. It is available in other colors. I believe they have a white, a light wood, and a dark wood. So whatever you choose, pick your poison. Let's go ahead and flip this over and look at the back. Okay, so here's the back side of the Canvas 2. Now, I have the swivel mount, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. So you just push on this tab and lift up, revealing that. Now, there's only one way this can go, so, you know, you can't mess it up. It's kind of like dummy proof. Okay, so now that we have the holes lined up, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. Now this is you only need to do this if you have the swivel mount. Okay, so here's my wall mount all ready to go in the wall. And yeah, maybe my wall's a little off because the level is showing that it's not level, but in actuality it is. And I already ran the power cord through the wall. And let's go ahead and pop this on and see what it looks like. The Meural Canvas 2. Show off what you love in lifelike detail. Bring an ever-changing library of over 30,000 works on your wall, as well as your own photography, all in one frame. The Canvas 2 is available in 2 sizes and up to 4 different colors. The Meural evolves and transforms the world of art into a lifelike digital experience that will enrich your home, enlighten your interests, as well as inspire your guests. It comes in a 16 by 24 or a 19 by 29, which I have here. Now I have the black one, but it's also available in white, dark wood, and light wood. Whether this is in your office or home, place of business, wherever, the Meural allows you to showcase many facets of your personality from a single frame. Showcase all of your best shots without being discouraged by the price of printing and framing. Hugged by real wood and optimized with their patented True Art technology, each photo is displayed to perfection. This True Art technology delivers lifelike art at every angle, making the Meural canvas a masterpiece in its own making. Combine that with their specialized anti-glare matte display and ambient light sensor that ensures 16.7 million colors from true blacks to the richest hues are picture perfect. Now you can also upload, crop, and filter your own images with the Meural app or on their website. And with the Canvas 2 side door, access ports for SD card, quick upload, nice and easy. You can curate your favorite works, personalize your canvas settings, and schedule display times to suit your mood or routine. And if you're looking for something new, Meural can even surprise you. Explore, discover, and curate art. Adjust canvas settings and more with the Meural app for iOS or Android, or my.meural website from anywhere. Or relax and use supportive voice controls like Alexa to find a new masterpiece. Okay, so the wall installation is done, and let's cut it on for the first time. But I'm gonna rotate it into the portrait mode. You know, depending on the artwork, I'll change it either way. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn it like this. All right. It's very stable. I'm not worried about it falling or anything. It slips right into the mount, and yeah, it looks good. Let's take off this protective film. So the power button is located right here, and down below you could flip this, and that's where you put your SD card, and you also have a micro USB. But like I said, you're gonna go ahead and download the Meural app. You're gonna create an account, so I'm gonna do that first. Okay, so I downloaded the app, and now it's telling me to scan the QR code. So let's go ahead and do that. Now it says registering the canvas. This could take a moment. Press join to continue. All right, you guys, so setup was a breeze. You know, create an account, it has to join Wi-Fi, stuff like that. I'm very impressed with the way it looks. I'll zoom in to try to give you a better look at it, but what I wanted to do was just pan back so you could see how real it looks. Like I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Yeah, I wanted you to see what it looked like on my wall right here. So let me zoom in a little bit. Like I said, again, it is it is nighttime, and I'm giggling because this is awesome. Now there is a ambient light sensor in it, so depending on how light or dark it is, the brightness will automatically adjust, but it looks very realistic. Now what I'm gonna do is turn on the light so you guys can see it brighten itself. So let me turn on the hallway light. Alexa, turn on entryway.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's on. and then the ambient light sensor. See, and it just got a little brighter. Very impressive. Now there are gesture controls. You can swipe right, swipe left, swipe up to see the artwork information, swipe right, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll walk up to it so you guys can see. So I can go this way, and then I can go up if I want the information. Then I can go down to get rid of it. But let's go back to that one. Let's see this one. Let's go that way. And I think just because it's nighttime, I love this one. So down will bring up the menu. You could do that. And to close menu, I can go left. So it's kind of cool. You don't even need to pull anything out. You could just walk by and swipe this way, swipe that way. And I do love the clean look of having no wires. Now, I didn't show how I ran that because I am not an electrician and I don't want you to copy what I did. I want you to hire an electrician if you're gonna do that. But even if you have the cord, you could buy some raceway tracks. I'll put a link in the description below. They have some of those if you want to run the wire on the wall. But this would look great in any kitchen, living room, the hallway like I have here, any home, office. It's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. But yeah, let's take a look at a couple of more pictures here. For those of you that have a smart home assistant by Amazon, I don't want to say the name of it right now because it's going to trigger it. But yeah, if you have that device, then you can go into the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, download the Meural Canvas skill, and link them together. That way, you can control it via the smart home device. So you can turn it off on. Now, the one thing I will say, if you want to call it the Meural, be sure to spell it the traditional way inside the Amazon Alexa. If you spell it the way these guys do, although it's very unique and cool, the assistant will have a hard time recognizing it when you pronounce it. But I have named it the artwork, so I thought it was kind of cool. So I could say, Alexa, turn off the artwork.
Okay.
And there you go. You can turn it right back on. Alexa, turn on the artwork.
Okay.
And there you have it. How cool is that, right? Words can't really describe just how good this looks. I mean, yeah, they are definitely doing some sort of magic or sorcery over there at Meural to make it look this good, because this is phenomenal. I love the colors and everything on the wall, and it looks great. And there is a closer shot, and as you can see, it's breathtaking. Okay, let's take a quick dive into the app. Now, this is by far one of the most robust, intuitive apps I've seen. This thing is loaded with content. So on your home screen here, you can see playlists, what's new to my membership, yeah, things you might be curious about, and you can touch on any of it, and you can see up here, this comes with my membership that I've selected. So you'd hit right there, send to Canvas, touch that, bada boom, bada bing, bang, and it goes right to your Canvas. It's actually very cool, and as you can see, everything's here. You could even search by art gallery if you don't know. Like, so let's say you visited the Louvre, but you forgot the painting that you like. Well, you can search for the Louvre here, and you can see that gallery, and you can go through all the artwork, and you can find that one that you fell in love with when you saw it in person. You could also search by artist or the name of the painting, like let's say Mona Lisa. Hit search. And there you go. You see it right there, the playlist, but you know, it's also Leonardo da Vinci, so you can go to his artwork and you see the Mona Lisa right there. And yeah, you could see all and any of them that you like. You can go ahead and touch it and you hit send to Canvas, or you could add it to your favorites. Like if you like it, give it a little heart. Or you can create a playlist or add it to an existing playlist, which is very cool. So anything that you like or you select, or you want to create a playlist, let's say you like abstract, or you like a certain artist as a playlist, that you want to add to a playlist, or you know, let's say there's sunny themes, or there's flowers, or rainy days, whatever you want to make a playlist for, you can see it here. Okay, so in the bottom right here, you select My Studio, and that will bring up to everything that you've liked, playlists you've made or artwork you sent to the playlist, artists that you like, categories, channels, editorials. I mean, this thing is bonkers. Clearly, these guys thought about this. This is one of the most detailed apps I've seen. I'm impressed. So here's some of the works that I've liked. You know, I'm just getting started in my studio, and then haven't created a playlist yet, so I'm pretty sure that I will, but that would show up there. Same with artists, categories, channels. I mean, they even have editorials. This thing is bonkers. Oh yeah, last but not least, let me go ahead and show you right there. If you want to take a photo or upload an image from your phone and display it to the canvas. Now, that's not just the canvas in your home, or you have to be here. You could be anywhere. So you can be out at Disneyland and, hey, let's send this picture to grandma. We got her a canvas too. Take a picture, send it to the canvas too, bang, it shows up at grandma's house. How cool is that? So if I had any complaints, I would say, one, I wish it was bigger. Like, I wish they made a bigger size. Like, I'm talking like 47 by 35, like something huge, because I have some big walls here in my home, and I wouldn't mind just having a giant one, but then it could get into cost. I could see that being a ridiculous amount of money, but those will pay for it. There are those out there that would. I know I would. So yeah, one complaint, yeah, I do wish there was a bigger one. And I could see now it seems a little contagious. Like I want to get one for my mom's house, and my wife and I were thinking about maybe getting another 2 or 3 here in the house. So yeah, that's the only problem. I think, yeah, it's beautiful. It's nice being able to select from the plethora of art museums and just artists out there, and being able to display it on your wall at any time, any occasion, no matter the day or mood, rather than just having one static painting or picture in your house. So yeah, I think that those are the 2 problems. I wish it was a bigger one, and I wish I had more of them, because yeah, I'm thinking maybe now getting one in a dark wood frame and placing it in a different area of my home. So yeah, that's it. You guys have any questions, go ahead and ask me, I'll answer. And it's beautiful. I'm blown away. All right, guys, layers.